When Jerome Coker and Tom Krakowskis set out to create a precast concrete company, they knew two major keys to success were good planning and a strong product line. Once they had the right plan, the two opened Cape Fear Precast on the east coast of North Carolina to meet the needs of what they saw as an underserved region of the state. They knew they had to have a complete line of products and also differentiate themselves from the established players. The answer was the underground utility structures industry, and specifically, customized products others were unwilling to take on. After 15 years in business, a move, a new plant, and a lot of hard work, the plan has worked out well.
Everything's underground utility structures. We do sanitary sewer manholes, pump stations. We have a real complete storm line, everything from sand filters, wing walls, head walls, catch basins, curb inlets, drop inlets. But everything's underground or just above grade. We don't do anything architectural and really don't get into anything structural like bridge beams.
Workers are cross-trained on all facets of production and primarily work in one of 5 areas. Just outside the plant, a worker is busy coring a manhole riser, and Coker pauses to talk about how important his work is.
The coring and invert division of the plant is it's an art. The guy that does this has been with us for 8 years, and he is really good at it, really efficient. It takes years to train someone to do this, do it right, and he just does a real good job.
Just inside the walls, employees work on some of the company's standard products.
This is our steel mold area. We call it our steel mold area. We do a lot of our standard products over here, standard knockout boxes, retaining walls, end walls, adapter slabs.
Following the shorter of 2 craneways, you walk by the batch plant, which has helped the company achieve both efficiency and quality goals.
You can see our mixer system from here. It's a centralized batch system that we can run up to 4 different types of aggregate. We have a wet cast. Both units are capable of producing wet cast concrete, and one unit is capable of doing dry cast concrete as well. We'll run both mixers simultaneously if we've got a big pour day or we've got product that's being poured outside. It's also nice for maintenance. We can shut one mixer down and still run the plant while other mixers being serviced, replacing blades, or just general maintenance.
Beyond the mixer is what Coker calls the 4-foot diameter area, which sits at the 90-degree angle where the 2 craneways meet.
The 4-foot diameter area is near and dear to my heart. When we stepped out on our own and started our own plant, I spent the first year and a half doing 4-foot diameter production myself, so I'm really familiar with this product line.
It's in this area of the plant that Quality Control Manager Matt Hoyman is busy adding the NPCA certified plant stencil, Cape Fear Precast logo, and a unique barcode to products. The barcode is part of the company's paperless QC program. Hoyman takes quality control very seriously and has learned a lot about the industry since he started with Cape Fear.
When I came into this industry running forklifts for Jerome, I knew concrete hurt when you hit it. You know, rock, sand, cement, water, and that was the end of my knowledge. That's what I thought it was. Now I have such an in-depth understanding of it, how it works, you know, tension, flexibility, everything, all the ways you can make it to where if you need it for this certain application, the things you got to do to make it that and to go beyond what the customer needs and all expectations.
Part of that knowledge has come from the many classes and webinars he has taken through NPCA.
I've done PQS Level 1, of course, PQS 2, QAQC, PQS 2 Technical, and basically any single webinar I can get my hands on. Basically anything I can get my hands on, I try to take it and further my education. I've only been doing this for 8 years, and I'm trying to get more and more involved and more knowledgeable about the field.
The back area of the plant is saved for the largest and custom products the company manufactures.
Well, after you walk through 4-foot diameter, we call this big diameter. It's anything larger than a 4-footer, 5, 6. We have 7-foot diameter molds, 8s, 10s, and 12s. As you come through big diameter, we get to the aluminum panel area, and this is the fun part of the plant. These guys definitely do not do the same thing every day. They get a stack of production paperwork, and it's every day is different. Steel layouts are different, hole formers are different, sizes of boxes are different. They really can do some unique things back here. I've had the same crew for about 5 years, and these guys work together well. They all have their individual responsibilities. Some are better at different products than the other. They really turn out a good-looking product.
It's the combination of the company's standard and custom products, attention to quality, and the skill of the team making the products that have set Cape Fear Precast apart and helped it carve its niche in the region.
The possibilities are limitless. We can build custom angles, custom heights, any dimension that you can draw on paper, we can build it.